1974 Chevrolet Monte Carlo. Price: $9,750. Location: Idaho. The 1974 Chevrolet Monte Carlo is a stunning example of classic American automotive design, finished in an eye-catching bright green exterior that perfectly complements its matching green interior. Built during an era when style, comfort, and V8 power dominated the roads, this Monte Carlo delivers a nostalgic presence that instantly transports enthusiasts back to the golden age of American cruising. The long hood, elegant body lines, and chrome bumpers give this Monte Carlo an unmistakable personality. Sitting on 15-inch steel wheels wrapped in Bridgestone white-line tires, the car captures the spirit of the 1970s with authentic details that collectors appreciate. Whether parked at a car show or displayed in a private collection, this Chevrolet has the kind of appearance that attracts attention from every direction. The powertrain features a desirable V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission and a 4-barrel carburetor. Additional features such as power steering and dual exhaust make this classic coupe an exciting machine with the potential to deliver the smooth driving experience that made Monte Carlo models so popular across America. It's a vehicle designed to cruise comfortably while showcasing the unmistakable character of a classic V8. The interior offers a comfortable and inviting environment with bucket seats, air conditioning, dual side mirrors, Sun Pro instrumentation, and a Delco radio. Every detail reflects the luxury-oriented mission of the Monte Carlo, blending comfort and style into a package that remains impressive more than 5 decades after it first left the factory. The green-on-green color combination adds even more vintage charm and uniqueness. The most intriguing part of this opportunity is the potential that lies beneath the surface. Although the vehicle is currently not running, it presents an exciting restoration project for collectors and enthusiasts who enjoy bringing classic American icons back to life. With proper mechanical attention and restoration work, this Monte Carlo could once again become a head-turning cruiser capable of creating unforgettable memories on the open road. The asking price of just $9,750 makes this classic Chevrolet particularly attractive in today's collector car market. Finding a V8-powered American coupe with this much character, originality, and restoration potential at such an accessible price is becoming increasingly difficult. For buyers searching for a rewarding project, this Monte Carlo offers an excellent combination of affordability and future value. The 1974 Chevrolet Monte Carlo is more than just a classic car. It is a piece of automotive history waiting for its next owner to write the next chapter. For anyone who loves vintage American muscle, personal luxury coupes, and rewarding restoration projects, this Idaho-based Chevrolet may be one of the most exciting opportunities currently available.